Welcome back. Let's see what are the combinations for having brain diseases in an astrological chart. Sun is Karaka of brain. Mercury governs our nerves and the nervous system, and diseases like headache, palpitation, and so on. Mars produces aggressive nature. Moon is significator of mind. Saturn indicates the wind pressure in nervous system. And Aries is the first house of head of the Kala Purusha or the natural zodiac. Now first house is the head of a native of an horoscope. Now for insanity, B combined Moon, Mercury, fifth house and fifth lord. Um, Epilepsy is mental inefficiency which is seen from Moon, Mercury, fifth house of mind and intellect, fifth lord, Lagna and Lagna lord and Leo sign. Moon afflicted by Saturn, person is lonely, Mars gloomy and pessimist. Moon afflicted by Sun, quick temper, quarrelsome, self, exaggeration and so on. Moon afflicted by Mars, quick temper, aggressive and violent. Moon afflicted by Rahu is cunning, phobia, maniac and schizophrenic. And Moon afflicted by Ketu, maniacal or suicidal tendencies, phobia and suspicious. Now in all the above cases, severity depends upon the affliction of Mercury at the same time. So combinations of abnormality of mind. Moon week in the 12th house, Moon and Mercury in combination in the ascendant, a weak moon with a malefic in ascendant, 5th house or the 9th house, a weak and waning moon in the 8th bhava along with Rahu, the moon with a weak Saturn in the 8th bhava, Moon and Rahu are together in ascendant when the trains are occupied by malefics, Sun in the ascendant and Mars or Saturn in the 7th house, Saturn in the ascendant while Mars is positioned in the 5th, 7th or 9th house, Jupiter in the ascendant and Saturn or Mars in the 7th house also indicates abnormality of mind. Moon and Mars together in the 5th house and 8th house is occupied by other malefics. Weak Mercury connected with malefics like Saturn, Rahu and Mars in the 3rd, 6th, 8th or 12th house. Malefics in the 7th along with Mandi. Saturn with Lord of 6th house in the ascendant aspected by malefics. Mars in the ascendant and Sun along with the malefic in the 8th house. And Saturn and Mars together in the 4th with aspected by malefic. Similarly, the combinations like Sun, Moon, Jupiter and Saturn produces mental aberrations. Mars, Moon, Jupiter, Saturn together produces mental aberration. Sun, Moon, Mercury, Jupiter and Saturn also gives lot of mental aberration. So in the next topic, let's see combinations for insanity along with mental diseases.